Hello students, today in subject mathematics we will start exercise 5.2 from chapter number 5 lines and angles. In that first question is state the property that is used in each of the following statements. Now these different statements are given and we have to check that which properties are being used for these statements. Now here the first one is if A parallel to B. Whenever this type of sign is given, that means A parallel to B. This sign shows that line A parallel to line B. Parallel means, as I told you in introduction, the distance between these two lines will remain same throughout the line. So here the question is if A parallel to B, then angle 1 is equal to 5. Now if line A parallel to line B, then angle 1 is equal to 5. Now which property used in this statement, that what we have to find. Now here seeing this figure, I can see that angle 1 is here and angle 5. Now these two parallel lines are here. Now these two angles are our corresponding angles. Now what is corresponding angles? Corresponding angle means on the same side. Corresponding angle means on the same side and at same position if two angles are there. Now here on transversal's left side, we can see on the angle 1 is there on same position. Now at same position angle 5 is there on same side. So these two angles are called corresponding angles. Now so if A parallel to B, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. That angles are being called pair of corresponding adjacent angle or corresponding adjacent angle, which is angle 1 is equal to angle 5, and in parallel line measure of both the corresponding angle is equal, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. So here I may write, when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the corresponding angles are equal. So as we saw in figure, when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, so both corresponding angles are equal. Here angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding equal angles. Now the next one, if angle 4 is equal to angle 6, then A parallel to B. Now we have to, here the angle 1, angle 4 is here and angle 6. Now angle 4 and angle 6. Now we all know, as we discussed in introduction, when transversal cuts two parallel lines, so alternate interior angles in that will be equal. So here you may see angle 4 and angle 6 both are equal. So this property is alternative interior angles. Alternative interior angles of 4 is 6. Alternative interior angle for angle 3 is angle 5. Now in parallel lines, if transversal cut them, so alternative interior angle pair of it will be equal. So angle 4 is equal to angle 6 and angle 3 equal to angle 5. So here we can write, here the property is alternative interior angle. So here we will write, if two lines are cut by a transversal such that a pair of interior alternate angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. So as we written, if two lines are cut by a transversal such that a pair of interior angles, alternate interior angles, are equal, as I told you, then that two lines are parallel lines. Now the next one, if angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees, then A parallel to B. Now we discussed in introduction, when transversal cuts two parallel lines such that the pairs of interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary, then the lines have to be parallel. So here two parallel lines are there, transversal cuts them, and this transversal two sides, this one is left hand side and this one is right hand side. So on same side, here angle 4 plus 5 is given, so angle 4 and angle 5 are interior angles. So in this measure of this two angle will be supplementary, which is equal to 180 degrees. So here we can write, if two lines are cut by a transversal such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, then two lines are parallel to each other. Here we can see, if two parallel lines cut by a transversal such that pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. So here we are completing this question. If you are having any query or doubt in this one, you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.